Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a sleek way to personalize your Nintendo Switch 2 controllers with the eXtremeRate replacement decorative strips for Joycon 2 in a vibrant blue and orange color combo. If you're tired of the standard look of your Joy-Cons or dealing with worn-out original strips, this could be the perfect upgrade. These decorative strips are custom designed specifically for the Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Con. So they won't fit older Switch models, the Switch Lite, or other third-party controllers. They're crafted from durable ABS and PC plastic, giving them a sturdy feel while still being lightweight. The precision finish ensures a snug fit that feels like it was part of your controller from day one. One of the highlights of this kit is how it allows for personal expression. With the bold blue and orange colors, these strips can transform your controller into something unique, helping it stand out during gameplay. You can mix and match with other eXtremeRate replacement shells for even more creative possibilities. Installation is designed to be simple. The kit comes with a prying stick and adhesive tapes, so you can swap out your old strips quickly without any technical hassle. If you want extra guidance, eXtremeRate provides an installation video on YouTube. By searching eXtremeRate decorative strip for Switch 2, which walks you through the process step by step. In the box, you'll get both left and right decorative strips along with the tools you need for installation. Keep in mind, this kit doesn't include the controller itself or any additional accessories. It's purely for upgrading the look of your Joy-Cons. Overall, the eXtremeRate replacement decorative strips for Joy-Con 2 offer a simple, stylish, and practical way to refresh your Nintendo Switch 2 controllers. Whether you're replacing damaged strips or just want to add a splash of color, this kit makes it easy to upgrade your controller and make it uniquely yours. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a product review that helps you make smarter choices for your gaming setup.